Hello guys, and a very warm welcome to the Bear and Turnip Embroidery channel. Today I think you're really going to thank me because I'm going to show you how to create a super thoughtful, beautiful, and customized gift for your bridesmaids for next to nothing. Obviously, this could be a great gift for anyone. I've targeted brides because I know that it's very expensive during a wedding, yet you still want to give something thoughtful as a thank you present to the people who've helped you out for your celebration. I know what you're thinking, but Nicole, the person I want to give my gift to doesn't have the initial N. That's okay, I got you covered. In the video, we'll go over different fonts, where you can find the font, different color schemes, as well as different sizes for your gift. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video, starting with the materials and cost. Materials that you would need to start the project would be carbon paper, a pattern, linen, embroidery hoop, and embroidery floss that you would like to see your flowers in. The font that I chose is called Calidea, and you can find it at www.canva.com. I also found the flower motif on the same website. You can use the same one that I've chosen, or you can pick your own. Just make sure that you find something that is simple. The best place to place your flowers once you have chosen the ones that you like is either at the bottom right hand of the letter or the top left hand of the letter. The next step is to get your pattern onto your fabric. First, place your fabric on a hard surface, then the carbon paper, and then the pattern. Make sure you press very hard when you're tracing. Finally, you will need watercolor. You can use watercolor palettes or watercolor tubes. Any everyday brand would do. I like to start this piece with the background. Start off by wetting the background and then adding paints and watching it spread. As I've mentioned, this piece is completely customizable, so feel free to use whatever paints you choose, especially if you like to pick up paints from the colors of your wedding. The size of the hoop I'm using is 5 inches. But again, this is a completely customizable piece, so any size hoop you would use would work with the pattern. It is time for some real talk here. This video takes forever to create, and I'm a very small channel, so if you could, please hit the like and subscribe button so this small tiny channel can grow. Now moving on to the cost of this project. You'll be surprised how affordable it is. If you have a really good dollar store near you, this project would probably cost you only about $5. $1 for the hoop, $1 for the paint, well, you get the idea. If you have to purchase everything at the craft store, that'll cost you a little bit more, probably closer to about $10, maybe a bit less depending on what you have at home. Still, all in all, that is an incredibly reasonable price for a thank you gift. Well, I really hope that you enjoyed the video and that it was helpful for you for your bridal journey. If you could, please hit the like and subscribe button. This video took a very long time to create and this small tiny channel needs your help for it to grow. If you have any questions at all about this project or embroidery in general or comments at all, leave them in the comments section below and I'd be happy to get back to you. I think that's it for me for today, so hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!